How to check Apple warranty on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you are in the main Settings menu, scroll down the list of options and tap on the General option. From this screen, tap on the About option, located at the very top of the list. The About section contains detailed information about your device, including its model name, serial number, and the currently installed iOS version. Now, scroll down to find and tap on Coverage Expired. After a moment, a detailed screen will appear, showing your device's official warranty information directly from Apple's servers. This page will clearly state your coverage status, list the expiration date, and provide details about what is covered. Following these steps, you can easily check your Apple warranty on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.